Hey there, savvy money masters. It's your chance to turn the tables on your financial future with a game that's more than just entertainment. It's a powerful learning tool. I'm talking about none other than Cashflow Game. Designed by the renowned Robert Kiyosaki, this game isn't just another board game. It's your personal financial workshop, disguised as fun. Picture this. You start by picking a career. Maybe you're a mechanic, a lawyer, or even a pilot. Each role comes with its own financial challenges and opportunities. Here's where it gets interesting. As you play, you'll deal with real-life scenarios, from small investments to big business deals. Each decision you make is recorded on your player sheet, just like filling out a real financial statement. This isn't just play, it's practice for real life. But here's the real kicker. After playing a few rounds, you'll start to see the patterns in your decisions. Are you a risk taker? A careful planner? This game mirrors life's financial decisions and shows you how the choices you make can lead to different financial outcomes. Imagine simulating 40 years of financial decisions in just 2 hours. That's what Cashflow Game offers. It's a chance to test strategies, make mistakes, and learn, all without the real-world risk. By the end of the game, you're not just having fun. You're walking away with valuable insights that can apply directly to your own financial planning. It's about preparing yourself to make smarter, more informed decisions that can lead to wealth and joy in your actual life. So, are you ready to challenge yourself? To learn, adapt, and maybe even change your financial destiny? Join us for a game of Cashflow Game. Let's make learning about money fun and interactive. Let's play to win, not just in the game, but in life. See you at the table.